we have our new Ripple Pro here with i7-12700H and RTX 3060, QHD panel 165Hz and RTX 3060. Uh, I like this laptop a lot. Its build quality is cool. It catches the fingerprint, but it is okay. It's still great. My review will be morely focused on gaming than the build quality and stuff. Like I mind the performance, then the build and stuff. It still looks stunning, and the build quality is good. It will be useful for you for much more years. It will be used, but let's see how it performs on games. So on Valorant, it was performing so great. The average FPS was 535 on the range, and the 1% low was 191, and 0.1% low was 120, which is significantly better. As the Valorant is the CPU demanding game, then the GPU demanding game, the i7-12700H really does a great here. So we run the League of Legends on the max setting available on the 1080p preset, and the average FPS that we gave was 240. 1% low was 195. 0.1% low was 95%. In the face, it was doing so great in League of Legends too. So yeah, they are the least demanding game, so it will perform great. GTA 5 was also doing great with the average FPS of 131, 90 FPS on 1% low, and 50 FPS on 0.1% low. I was testing this in the study mode, and the online mode we really get the low FPS, and if we are even streaming, it will even be lower. GTA V uses both the CPU and GPU, and it was performing well for the i7 12Zen and RTX 3060. We only have the one stick of memory right now. Like it will even do better when you have the two stick of memory. Call of Duty Warzone was also doing great. It was showing the average FPS of 154. On this was done in training, so I guess this was more than the in game. 1% low was 101, and 0.1% low was 65%. Was doing great, and no, the DLS was not turned on. It was just the default low setting, and I haven't turned off the DLS mode or anything. And DLS mode will surely improve our performance. So yes guys, that is it. I will do the more benchmarking with the whole graph with the image afterward while playing and streaming or recording the game. But for now, I just have this much game, and my SSD is almost full because it is just 512 GB. Yeah, I will do the more benchmark and reviews video in the future. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and like, comment, and also turn on that notification bell. Thank you.